Hi everyone, welcome to another Ballet For All tutorials. I'm Yelena, and today you're going to be learning Myrtha Variation from Gisselle. Like always, this variation is going to be divided in different phrases, so that way you can go back to phrase 1, for instance, and learn each step in your own pace, on your own time, and then you can join me in the next phrases. But now, let's finally begin with our first number 1. We're going to begin facing right diagonal in front of us. Supporting leg is going to be left leg, right leg on the back, hands on your hips, no arms coordination yet. With the music, we're going to begin by doing the mi-plie 5, in forced position, tendu 6, 7, and step with left leg 8. We're going to do a chassé and goes 1, 2. So this is going to be a tan leve, and at the same time that we slide forward, we're going to jump very little. So it's 1, 2. You don't even notice that my heel's getting off the ground, right? And we're going to repeat that 3 times, changing leg. Wait 1 second. Let's do it again from the beginning. 7 and 8. Goes 1, 2, pas de bourrée. And repeat everything. This time, right leg on the back. 1, 2, pas de bourrée. And again, third time. 1, 2, pas de bourrée. Take your time to do piqué attitude, plie. And now from facing right diagonal, we move pas de bourrée, facing left diagonal, piqué attitude, left leg on the back. Yep. Let's take it from the last chassé arabesque. So right leg, left leg on the back. 1, 2, pas de bourrée. Petit développé with left leg, piqué attitude, right leg on the back, plie. Pas de bourrée, that change facing left diagonal. Petit développé with right leg, attitude, and stay. And we're going to repeat everything, this time moving towards the left diagonal in front of us. And yes, we're going to repeat the same. 1, 2, pas de bourrée. 2, 2, pas de bourrée. 3, 3, pas de bourrée, and piqué attitude. Plie, pas de bourrée. Facing out the right diagonal, plie, stay, petit développé with our left leg to run all the way to this diagonal to repeat everything one more time from the beginning. So basically we are going to repeat those tan leves to each side twice. Don't complicate much things. Let's go back and let's do together everything from the beginning one more time. Classical pose, right leg on the back, hands on your hips, 5 and 6, 7, plie, and 1, 2, pas de bourrée, 2, 2, pas de bourrée, 3, 3, pas de bourrée, piqué, plie, pas de bourrée, change it to the other diagonal, and stay, and change, right leg on the back first, effacé, croisé, ta, 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 effacé, pas de bourrée, piqué attitude, plie, change facing the other diagonal, piqué attitude, stay, petit développé, and run, run, run. Before going to the diagonal, we do a stop in arabesque. Yep. So run, run, run. Piqué arabesque and run, run, run. That was the diagonal. And something happened there, but that includes arms coordination. So run, run, run. And rather than classical pose, we're going to do chassé tendu. So run, run, run. Chassé, right leg on the back. Plie. Pose to begin everything from the beginning again. Exactly the same. With a small variation on the last piquet attitude. Okay? So 7, 8. Second time. 1, 2, da, da, da. 2, 2, da, da, da. 3, 3, da, da, da. Piqué, plie, pas de bourrée. Piqué, and stay, and effacé, and croisé, effacé, and now, pas de bourrée, piqué coup de pied, piqué coup de pied. Yep, so we have right leg on the back, and the same, 1, 2, petit développé, piqué coup de pied, left leg on the back, 1, 2, piqué, 1, step with left leg tendu, and my right leg is going to do petit développé, plie. Yep, go back, Repeat everything one more time by yourself. I'm going to continue to finish this first phrase. I'm in that demi-plie, and we are going to do pas de bourrée towards the center. Once you arrive, you're going to turn around towards your right side. Continue, continue, continue. Plie, contretemps, pique, first arabesque, left leg on the back, plie, relevé. And that's where we finish our first phrase. Now let's add arms coordination. Remember, we begin in classical pose. Now your arms are going to be elbows bent, arms in front of your chest, right, left arm in front of right arm, and with the music, plie, brava, and open, allonge. Now relax your torso, because here we are going to use a little bit of a polemon. Down and up. Now it goes fifth position, down, allonge. So we are going to do same leg, same arm, 1, 2. And now what we're going to do is we are going to look towards the arm that is on the back, and we are going to move torso and forward, forward. Pas de bourrée, and go to the back. Forward, forward, pas de bourrée. Forward, forward, open, pique, fifth position, plie, open, open, fifth position, and stay and repeat. Now everything, look in the right arm and forward, left arm and forward, right arm, forward, pas de bourrée, pique arms to fifth position, plie, open on the pas de bourrée, pique, stay, petit développé, and open your arms on allonge. You can either just go down, up, or from there, just go up, open, and run. Now on that pique arabesque, we go with a polemon, open chest, arms on allonge, and stop, and run, 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 run. And now you're gonna find 2 flowers. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you before. We're gonna be using flowers. So you're gonna grab one with your right arm, another one with your left arm, and we're going to that chassé tendu. Looking at your right arm, plie, down and up. We are going to repeat everything just with 2 flowers in our hands. Nothing complicated. And repeat. 2. Look to the back. Pas de bourrée. Pique. Plie. And stay and look to the right hand before looking forward. Pas de bourrée, pique. 1. Now, the opposite arm to the leg that is doing the good plie. So, pas de bourrée, pique, open, open, pique, tendu, petit développé with my right leg, down. Yeah, so bring both arms down. From here, pas de bourrée, right hand up, and slowly once you get to the center, open, 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 open. Stay looking away to where we're going, and look forward. First arabesque, up, up, up. So you're going to do pandy, and then you're gonna bring into arabesque, and then you're going to do plie, relevé, up. You're gonna run towards, oops, we're gonna cut it there. Let's go to the second phrase without flowers. Second phrase. Now, we're gonna run towards this side, throw away the flowers. 1, we're gonna go to the other side, and then throw away the flower, the last one, and run, run, and guess what? Classical pose, demi-plie, same pose, same diagonal, same everything. But we're not gonna repeat the same sequence, just highlighting that we're gonna begin again, the same pose, the same diagonal. Now we are going to do demi-plie step with left leg, demi-plie, glissade, cabriole. So that right leg is going to bat you and open and do chassé, step, grand jeté. Okay? Let's do it one more time. 7, 8, and glissade, cabriole, chassé, sauté. I have done tutorials about chassé sauté, so I'm gonna leave it right here for you. Basically, you're going to cabriole, and we're just going to chassé sauté, step, grand jeté, and we finish croisé, right leg on the back. And we're gonna do the same to the other diagonal. We're doing in total 3 times. So glissade, cabriole, chassé, grand jeté, and glissade, cabriole, chassé, grand jeté. Yep. Go back, check this one more time because I'm gonna repeat it just one more time before I add arms coordination. Okay, ready? Classical pose. 5, 6, 7, plie, glissade, cabriole, chassé, sauté, grand jeté. Glissade, cabriole, chassé, sauté, grand jeté. Glissade, cabriole, chassé, sauté, grand jeté. We're going to do sauté towards the right side, right leg, sauté arabesque, run, 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 plie. In the same way that we started before the pas de bourrées, just plie in the same position, your left leg in front. And we are going to do pas de bourrées 1, 2. If you're going to be in demi-point, you're going to do in relevé. If you're in point, you're going to do small jump on your points. And it's a petit développé. 1, pas de bourrées. 2, pas de bourrées. 3, pas de bourrées. 4, pas de bourrées. 5, pas de bourrées. 6, run, 7, and pose. Just that. Okay, let's do second phrase with arms coordination before we join first and second phrase together. Okay? Guess what? Yep, same arms coordination, same lower down, same allonge. Now we're going to do glissade and opposite arm to the leg that is working. Chassé. Here, just that. Brava, first, second, and stay. Glissade, cabriole, grand jeté. Glissade, cabriole, chassé, grand jeté. Sauté arabesque, run, run, plie left leg in front. Now, arms and legs to the same side, head going opposite, and torso slightly down, opposite to where legs and arms I'm going. So it's pas de bourrée, da, pas de bourrée, da, pas de bourrée, da, pas de bourrée, down. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Any questions? Anything that you need to check? Go back by yourself, review everything. I'm gonna keep moving to the last phrase. Third phrase. Let's take it. We're finishing that tendu, right? So from here, we're meant to do 1, 2, 3, 4, but we do not have the space. This is not an advanced variation. I want to do something that you can feel comfortable home doing and still a little bit challenging for you because we don't really have the space and we don't really want to get injured. So what we're going to do is plie, pique soutenu, pas de chat, détourné, 2 times, only that. And it's still challenging, right? So, demi-plie, pique soutenu, right leg in front, plie, pas de chat, right leg on the back, détourné, plie, and do it again. Pique soutenu, pas de chat, détourné, pique arabesque. That's it. That's challenging. So let's do it again. Because we're going to be turning, it's better to use arms coordination, right? Plie, and a quick run and goes pique soutenu, plie, pas de chat, détourné, and pique soutenu, plie, pas de chat, détourné, pique arabesque. Left leg petit développé, entrelacé, and go. Assemblée, relevé. Okay? Let's do that one more time. So after you finish pas de chat, détourné, we are going to do hands on your hip, pique arabesque, plie, chassé, entrelacé. Use this video to learn to do entrelacé. We have right leg on the back, a step right leg, assemblée, left leg, right leg in front, plie. Practice all that again, please. Let's do it. Our last pas de chat, détourné, pique, arabesque, plie, entrelacé, plie, step, assemblée, up. And let's do the last part of this variation. Plie, pique en dedans, pique en dedans, 3, 4, 5, and chaîné, 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 effacé, chassé, pose, tendu on the back. you wonder why we're doing coordinations, arms coordination and legs and everything together? It's turns, and we shouldn't get used to do turns without using arms. Rather, let's use them to give you the energy, to give you the balance, the control, okay? I'm gonna go back again and do the third phrase from the beginning for you, don't worry. Let's take it from that tendu. Plie, pique plie, pas de chat, détourner, pique plie, pas de chat, détourner, pique arabesque, plie, entrelacé, step, semblé, relevé, plie, pique with right leg, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Now let's join phrase 1, 2, and 3. Everything with arms and legs coordination. Because of copyright issues, I cannot post the variation with music doing it myself. However, I'm gonna link the description of this video, the variation danced by a professional dancer, and you can just dance together with her at home. Yep. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, pas de bourre, 2, 2, pas de bourre, 3, 3, pas de bourre, pique, plie, pas de bourre, pique, stay, and repeat. 1, 2, look to the back, 2, 2, look to the back. Last one. And stay, plie, and stay, petit développé, run, 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 remember, arabesque, run, 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 flower, flower, chasse tendue. Oh. Demi plie, down, and open and look to the back. 1, and 2, and 3. Pas de bourre, pique, plie, pique, and stay and repeat. Second, third, remember here, pique coup de pied, pique coup de pied, petit développé, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pique tendu first, arabesque later, plie, relevé, and run, 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 throw it away, run, 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 throw it away, run, ready for glissade, cabriole, plie, 7, and 8, glissade, cabriole, sauté, pam, pam, glissade, cabriole, taran, taran, glissade, cabriole, taran, taran, sauté arabesque, run, run, plie, left leg in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, and pose, and go. Piste plie, pas de chat, take your time. Piste plie, pas de chat, détourner, pique arabesque, entrelacé, and continuous step, assemblée, up, and down, and down. 3, 4, 5, chaîne, chaîne, chaîne. Final pose. Just with control. Final pose. This was so much fun. Finally, I'm back with variations tutorial once again. If you enjoyed it, please make sure that you let me know in the comments below. If you're new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so the next time I upload my next video, you receive a direct notification. Also, remember that I'm offering live lessons. If you want to learn the variation directly with me, or you just want to have a ballet class where you get really good feedback, let me know. I will leave the description of this video, my email, so you can contact me directly anytime that you wish to. See you next class.